I'm going to be showing you the translations of Weglot, and I'm at the Weglot translation part of this dashboard. And if I go to add languages, you're going to see different languages. So for example, if you want Chinese, I can just type in Chinese. We have the simplified version. We got the traditional. We got both routes here going. Filipino. We got the Filipino in there. Vietnamese. Looking for Hindi? Oh, we got it. Thai's there. And Korean. But just to show you what it looks like for the languages, there's a lot of languages that we can choose from. So, a lot of selections with accurate translations.